everyone, it's Daphne from Scrap and Create, and I'm back to do a product reveal. So Julie and I have just gotten back, or got back last week, from Creativation, and it is a large conference where a lot of the paper makers showcase what's coming out new. And so we found a couple of things that we really liked and we want to share with you, and are now available in our shop. So this is, the paper brand is Prima, and this is called Pretty Pale. So I want to show you the papers today, and then I'm also going to share with you all of the components that come in the collection. There's quite a few things that come with this collection, Pretty Pale. So there are 12 by 12 packets, come with 24 sheets, and that's 6 designs, double-sided, and there's 4 of each sheet. So I'm going to walk through each sheet with you. Sorry about shaking the camera there. So this is one of the designs. It's very pale, it's very pretty. I really like it. And there's some dots. The dots on here, I'm not sure it's coming across in the camera, but they are, they're foil. And they are kind of a coppery color. They're very pretty. I can't wait to make something with this. And that reminds me of just simple graph paper. This is very pretty. It's got some writing on the bottom and some florals across the middle. And again, you get 4 of each sheet, so there's plenty. And then again, there's some foil accents on here. This one is flowers, and then some of the flowers are traced or outlined in foil. And that looks like some letters, another collage paper. And this is what I'm showing you is the 12 by 12 sheets. But one of the things I really like about this collection, or this brand, Prima, is that they come in several different form factors. So you have the 6 by 6, 12 by 12, and then last you have the A4, which in my mind is ideal for anybody who's making mini albums, especially in the 8 by 8 size, or even 8 by 10, because these are 8.27, or about 8 1/4 by 11, slightly over 11 1/2, or 11 3/4. So it's perfect for 8 by 10 or 8 by 8 albums. And in this you get 30 sheets. So you get 5 of each design. So very beautiful. And again, they're in the shop right now if you want to take a closer look. So those are the papers, the pads. They also come in singles, so you can buy singles if you think 4 of each design is too much. We can sell them in packs of 2. So here's some of the other stuff that comes in it. So this is tickets. I'm trying to hold it close enough to see. So these are little pieces of ephemera. There's 36 pieces in each one, and they're really cute. So these are very easy to add to your mini albums. The next one is ephemera, and we've got translucent papers in here, as well as some frames and laser cuts. So this comes with 40 individual pieces. As you can see, very cute, very cute. I can't wait to make something. And then I love these little glitter dots. They're not glitter, actually. They're more like gems. Very pretty. I think this would make a beautiful wedding album, baby album. It's very pretty. It's very romantic in color. More ephemeras and stickers. So these are the stickers. And more ephemera cut-aparts. They're all laser cut, so you don't have to work so hard to get all that look into your album. And then here are the chipboard pieces. So it's 2 chipboard pieces in the pack. You get 21 individual pieces. They do a really good job of laser cutting all the way around their chipboard, so you don't have to work so hard to get those tags off like you do with some collections. So it's very pretty, very pretty. And then here's some more components. Journaling and note cards. So you get a whole pack of these. There's 45 sheets. They're double-sided. Very easy to use, and they're nice and thick. You can back them, or you can use them as is. Journaling and note cards in a smaller form. I didn't mention that, but this is 4 by 6. Same thing in 3 by 4. So depending on the size of album you want to work on. And then I'm going to show you these washi tapes that coordinate. Really pretty washi tapes. And I will do something with this collection in terms of building a book and doing a tutorial. So the next thing is just an incredible array of flowers and these beautiful butterflies that go with it. So I'm going to go ahead and open this for you guys because you really can't appreciate it until you look at one of these butterflies close up. And as soon as I go back to their site and look around, I'm going to try to find some more colors. So it's on a vellum paper that you can repurpose in your mini album. But each one of these butterflies is layered. So you have a piece of printed layered vellum on top and then a piece of paper on the bottom. And they just really, the camera's not going to do it justice. They're just really beautiful. And they go lovely with the collection. Okay, and then tons of flowers. There are 20 different flower packs to choose from, and they all coordinate with the papers that I just showed you. So these are really beautiful flowers. This one is a packet of flowers, and it also comes with a stencil, so you can add some texture to your project. Some more flowers. And again, all these are listed on our site, www.scrapandcreate.com. I really like this one. It's very low profile, and each one of them has a little crystal in the middle, so they're very pretty. And it's just enough pop with the crystal. Some more flowers, and most of these are relatively low profile. These might be a little harder to work on the inside of the book, but you could, depending on how wide your gusset is. More flowers. Look at that. When I'm done, I'm going to lay these all side by side so you can see how well they go. Another low profile flower that would be very easy to work on the inside of your album. Again, this one too, very low profile. It has quite a bit of sheen. I'm not sure if it's showing up in person. All of these are on our website with photos as well, so you can take a close look. This almost looks a little bit like leather. It's really pretty. It's an interesting cut apart. More sheen. I like these quite a bit. And then a nice simple pale kind of gray, mauve, and a little bit more of the tan. Like I said, there's 20 different packs of flowers. These are all very neutral, so it can be used with lots of different paper collections, not just, I like this color right here, not just the Prima. Okay, so right now, these are the roses. Got that upside down. Right now we have 3 collections of Prima in our shop. We have Havana, Pretty Pale, and Amelia Rose. And for the other collections, we do have some of the coordinating pieces, but not as many as Pale Rose. Pale Rose, we just decided while we were at the shop to get everything that came in the collection, and then we would wait to hear back from you guys on what you like and what you think you would buy from the packages moving forward. Are you a washi tape user? Do you really like the cards, the chipboard, the die cuts, more of the flowers, less of the flowers? But as you can see, there's just a ton of stuff to work with. And like I said, I'll be putting a project together soon, and I will definitely be using all of these, especially these. And then lastly, this collection is the only one that we have in the shop that has this matching traveler's notebook. And this is made of like a plethora, and it's, let's see, what size is it? It's not very big. They call it size tall, but I don't know. I think it's about 4 by 6. And the reason I like this is because it'll fit in your purse. It's very pretty. It's listed in the shop. And you add your notebook sets. There's 3 that come in a pack through the rubber bands that run through the spine. So it's very easy to reload if you like this kind of thing. And I do. I almost always have a notebook with me. And then there's a picture of what's kind of inside. And again, if you go to our website, you'll see more of the details, and of course all the pricing will be there. But while you're here on YouTube, I really want to get some comments from you guys on what you think of this particular collection, and then what you think of Prima in general. Is that a good line for us to start carrying? And I'm just trying to get an idea of what kind of interest we have there. If you guys like the Prima brand, we would like to hear that from you, and then we'll start trying to pick and choose some additional collections. There's a collection coming out in March that we were able to preview while we were at Creativation, and it's a beach theme and it's really cute. So we're hoping to bring that into the shop soon too. But we want to hear from you. So take a minute and leave us a comment. We really appreciate it. And if you want more details on this collection, go to www.scrapandcreate.com, and under the shop there's a new menu item called Prima, and if you click on Prima you'll see the 3 collections that we have: Havana, Pale, Pretty Pale, and Amelia Rose, and you can look at each of those collections. You can also find the flowers under the flower label or directly in Prima, either one. So we thank you again for subscribing and watching. We really appreciate it. If you like, please remember to hit the like button. And then if you really like, please be sure to share this with a friend that you know might appreciate the content. We look forward to bringing you additional content soon. For those of you that are watching, the Christmas or 12 Days of Christmas is coming soon. Christine's just about to wrap that up. And I am wrapping up a Stamperia album that should be out very soon. So thanks again for watching, and we'll have some content out soon. Thanks.